Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry I could eat this pillow. Wait, what? I actually can eat this pillow? That's amazing! I've never had one before. I wonder what it tastes like. Well, that was intriguing, but this episode abounds in peculiarities. I said I was hungry, so let's delve into the unboxing before delving into something far better than a few fun facts, a few mysteries. First up, wheat noodles. Great. I mean that non-sarcastically. Wheat noodles happen to be my favorite type. They have a good flavor and they keep a little bit of bite. Crumbs. I love crumbs. And I do mean that sarcastically. And why am I even wiping them away? I could just cut the video to the clean table. Anyway, mysteries. Like, what is this brown stuff called Jah Jan? When shopping for different flavored noodles, this is certainly not one of my usual suspects. The description makes it clear that this is a mildly spicy soybean sauce that got its name in Taiwan. As it turns out, this sauce is also popular in other Asian countries, albeit under different names. So first mystery solved, Jah Jan is a soybean sauce. Our third bag has the simple but effective title Soup Sachet. But that poses another mystery, the question of the serving style. We are going to have to soak the noodles, I'll do that now, then drain them, then pour boiling water in another bowl and then mix the sachet into that. This is Schrödinger soup, both wet and dry. Rest assured, that's the last you'll ever hear about quantum mechanics on this channel. Though I cannot guarantee that this was the last mention of a paradox. It's time to add the Jah Jan flavor to the softened noodles, and then we add hot water to the soup sachet. The third and last mystery will probably stay a mystery, because how am I to go from here? The package doesn't say. Do I take the dry noodles and put them into the soup? Let's try that. Nope, that washed the flavor right off. I'm gonna try a different approach. I don't need sleep, people, I need answers. Wheat noodles with soybeans and chili are a delight to eat. Chewy, slightly salty and umami. What more would you want? Well, I would want an apology for the soup. It's salt water with a hint of kelp that reminds me too much of my mom's home remedies for when I had the flu. Alas for me, it is as the prophet Isaiah foretold, a hungry person dreams of eating but wakes up still hungry. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Noodles Unboxed. If you also love noodles, or maybe you don't like noodles but you still like this video, then please click like and subscribe. In this episode I experimented with a few viewer suggestions. If you found them, let me know what you think. And if you have any suggestions of your own, like less mukbang or more ASMR or anything else, then please spam the comment section. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you next time when we'll unbox some more noodles. Bye.